Oh my God. All right, I gotta fix this. Just like that, we're back in business. It goes on top, goes underneath, and then above, and then back down. Yeah, you good.
So take it out?
Uh-huh. Hey, what's up? So today's video is about if your door is locked, squeaking, making noises, or when you turn the key it's just not able to unlock or lock. Here's a little trick to help you with that problem, to make it easy. All right, here we go. So we take the key, stick it in the hole, and then we're gonna take some penetrating oil and squeeze it in there. Push the key in. I got the door open already, but we're gonna turn it left, turn it right, turn it left, turn it right, so the lubrication could go inside the mechanisms. That's the trick for that. Now for the door handle, you're gonna take this and lubricate the joints. And then just move it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So this is a trick that my dad taught me. I couldn't find it on YouTube, so this is for y'all. All right, later. It's getting crazy out here, folks. But still gotta make a little bit. So, alright, let me start fueling up. And get back to making a little. There's a couple stretches you can do from the city of truck every morning.